Today is 21st October. This little budgie Lolo is looking much better, and I'm gonna give her water from my hand because this bird cannot manage to get up on her own feet and drink water from the bowl. So I have to give water like this. Tick tick daddy. Yeah. Look, she's so thirsty, huh? She's so thirsty, darling. See that baby? This little birdie. She knows there's a water in this spoon. Yeah. She drank water. She's drinking. That's enough. And today's update is like she's showing very less symptoms of pain. She is, yeah, able to stand on one leg, and now it's a sleeping time. So yeah, this is her hospital crate, and this is her bed. She sleeps inside. Lola, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine, Lola. Beautiful budgie. Beautiful budgie. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's okay. Good night.